Now the next comparison we are going to do is between the cities. So complétez avec grande, petit, big or small, or plus, moins, aussi. So now the information they have given us is regarding the population. Londres has 3 million, 3 million. Paris has 2.2 million. Sao Paulo 10 million. New York 9.3 million, and Rome 3 million. So these are the this is the population of each of these cities. So now we are going to say, based on the population, we are going to say which of these cities are bigger and which is smaller, and we are going to compare all these cities to one city. So the first sentence they've given us is Rome a 3 million d'habitants. So Rome has 3 million inhabitants. So now there are 3 million people in Rome. New York est dash grande. So the word is grande, the adjective. So now if you look at New York, it has, the population is 9.3 million. So it is more than London. So it is, sorry, more than Rome. So it is plus grande. It is more big, plus grande. Now the next sentence, Paris est plus dash. So Paris, if you see Paris, it is 2.2 millions, which is lesser than the population of Rome. So Paris est plus petit because it is small. So it is either plus petit or moins grand. So if the word given was moins, you would write grande. Because the word given is plus, you are filling in with petit. So plus petit or moins grand, both of these would give the same meaning. Sao Paulo est plus. So now if you look at the population here, it is 10 million, which is definitely more than Rome. So it would be plus grande. Plus grande. Now finally the last sentence, Londres est dash grande. Now if you look at London, Londres and Rome, the population is 3 million, which is same. So when two quantities are same, the word we use is aussi. Londres est aussi grande. So now you have learnt how to compare. So we use the words grande, petit, plus, moins and aussi in this exercise. So now I am sure you know how to compare two different quantities. So the words we use mostly are plus, moins, aussi, and you have also learned to use other words like grande, petit, près, loin, bon, meilleur, etc. So this will be useful when we are speaking. So once you keep practicing this, you need not have to think. Automatically you can speak.